What's up, guys? What's going on? I had a viewer request or ask how my oil pan gasket was doing. I remember, if you guys remember, I did one a while ago. And right now I'm doing an oil change, so I'm gonna crawl underneath and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is the front of the engine. This is the exhaust. Let's take a little look. Alright, so from the front, it looks alright. On this side, seems to be a little bit of seepage. Definitely not what was leaking before. This might be like the front crank seal, possibly. But I wouldn't worry about it. I'm not dripping oil. So I'm just gonna leave that alone. What's going on this side? I don't see nothing there. Let's look over here. This is where the oil filter drips to. Let's come back around here. Alright, got a little, I know it sucks where I'm sitting from, but I got a little wet spot over here. That might be the rear main seal, or maybe coming from the axle, I'm not sure. Am I zoomed in? No, I'm not zoomed in. It's just I'm pretty damn close to the car. But yeah, look. See the filter there? That's the axle. Or the half shaft. What is the half shaft? No, that's the actual whole axle. But yeah, there's nothing dripping here at all. Nothing that I'd be worried about or even bother checking my oil, even though you should every so often. I mean, that just looks a little wet. That might be oil from my last oil change. Because when you release this filter, the oil starts to drip down this way. It gets on the exhaust and some of the transmission. So if you take a look at that, that kind of just looks like, you know, seepage or, you know, moist oil. But nothing that bad at all. Honestly, I could say this was a pretty good fix. You know, I mean, obviously things are gonna get wet and dirty and you know, over time it's gonna seep out again. But it's been a good dry pan for the most part. All right. So that was a quick update on my oil pan. So yeah, thanks for asking, and yeah, so far it worked out good. It's freezing. It's December. It's about to be Christmas. So yeah, thanks for watching.